Aim of Ayurveda. Swasthasya swasthirikshanam adurasya vikara prashamanam. The aim of Ayurveda is to protect health of a healthy person and to cure the disease of a sick person. Branches of Ayurveda. There are 8 branches of Ayurveda. The concept of Tridosha is in Ayurveda. What is Tridosha? Tridoshas are the 3 vital forces our body is made up of. That is 3 pillars.
Revoir. Step into the magic.
Namaste, I am Dr. Chitra, Medical Head and Chief Physician, Revoir Ayurvedic Wellness Center, Palakkad, Kerala. Aim of Ayurveda. Swasthasya swasthirikshanam adurasya vikara prashamanam. The aim of Ayurveda is to protect health of a healthy person and to cure the disease of a sick person. Origin of Ayurveda. Ayurveda is originated 5000 years old and it is a sub-Veda or Ubaveda of Atharva Veda. Lord Brahma taught Ayurveda to few of the Devas, then it was passed to other clients or other people to save the people in the earth from the disease. Branches of Ayurveda. There are 8 branches of Ayurveda. First one is Kaya Chikitsa, that is the branch of general medicine. Then comes Bala Chikitsa, that is the branch of pediatric. Then comes Urdhvanga Chikitsa, that is the branch of ENT and ophthalmology. Fourth one is Shalya Chikitsa, the branch of surgery. Sixth is Visha Chikitsa, branch of toxicology. Seventh is Graha Chikitsa, branch of psychiatry. 8th is Vrisha Chikitsa, that is branch of aphrodisiac. Then the concept of Tridosha is in Ayurveda. What is Tridosha? Tridoshas are the 3 vital forces our body is made up of. That is 3 pillars: Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Vata is the factor that which controls all the neurological problems in the body. And Vata is combined the 2 Mahabhutas, that is Vayu and Akasha. Second comes the Pitta. Pitta dosha is the factor that control all our metabolic problems, like all endocrinological problems we can say, and all kinds of hormonal imbalances. And so Pitta dosha is combined of 2 Mahabhutas, that is Agni Mahabhuta and Jala Mahabhuta. And the third dosha is the Kapha dosha. The Kapha dosha is the factor that controls the all lubrication functions in the body. That means Kapha dosha is formed of 2 Mahabhutas, Jala Mahabhuta and Prithvi Mahabhuta. If all these doshas are in balanced state, we can say the person is healthy. Any imbalance of these 3 doshas will lead to disease in the system. Next comes the Prakriti. Prakriti is the factor that which controls the mental and physical constitution of the body. A Prakriti is formed at the time of union of sperm and ovum inside the uterus. So that means we can say Prakriti as a DNA. So once the Prakriti is fixed, it cannot be changed. That character of our system or our body cannot be changed. To analyze a disease and to control or cure a disease, so we have to first of all assess our Prakriti. And Prakriti is of 7 types: Vata Prakriti, Pitta Prakriti, Kapha Prakriti, and Dvidoshaja Prakriti and Sannipatika Prakriti.
Revoir. Step into the magic. Malambura, Palakkad.